welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to make a fluffy omelette in the easiest way. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Really need you guys support. And let's begin the video. For that we need 2 bowls to separate the eggs, and I have taken 5 eggs, then some oil, then some salt to taste. And now let's crack the egg, and we are going to separate the egg yolk and the white egg in this way. Like this. And now let's put the egg yolk in another bowl like this, and let's crack the others also. Now let's beat the egg yolk, let's whisk the egg yolk like this. And after this, let's whisk the white egg till the froth comes. We are going to whisk till the froth comes. You can see froth is coming. You can see the froth now. Now let's mix the egg yolk and the white egg together. And now let's turn on the heat. And after that, let's put some oil. Then let's glaze the pan in this way. Now let's put the egg into the pan like this. And after that, let's cover it, and then let's cook for 30 seconds. Now let's flip the egg like this slowly, otherwise it will break the foam, the froth. Now let's flip slowly and let's cover it and let's cook for another 30. Now I have cooked another 30 seconds and let's take it out the egg. Now fluffy omelette is ready and I will show you how it look inside. It's look very yummy and you can try at home. And I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Really need you guys support, and see you in the next video. Bye.